Alhamdulillah, we have been able to identify the letters from alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, da, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam. So before we continue the letters, we have to do something here. Follow me. This is very simple and it's fun. Alif, ba, ta, tha. ألف با تا ثا جيم حا خا جيم حا خا دال ذل را دال ذل را. Let's come again. ألف با تا ثا ألف با تا ثا جيم حا خا جيم حا خا دال ذل را زا دال ذل را زا دل زل را زا سين شين صاد سين شين صاد سين شين صاد دا طا زا ع دا طا زا ع غا فا قا غا فا قا غا فا قا كاف لم ألف با تا ثا جيم حا ألف با تا ثا جيم حا خا دل ذل را زا سين شين صاد داد طا زا صاد داد طا زا عين غين فا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام قاف كاف لام. MashaAllah, it's fun. Okay, we are going to continue to the class. The letters we are going to do now is what? Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, and Ya. These are the last letters. So we have Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. Now we are going to have a practice of how the letters are in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. So let's start from Ba. This is Ba. At the beginning, Ba is like this. At the middle, it's like this. There is an alphabet here. There's an alphabet here. And at the end, it's like this. When there is an alphabet coming up like this, and the Ba will be here. The same thing with Ta. When there is an alphabet here, no alphabet beginning. At the middle, this is an alphabet, and the Ta will be here like this. And at the end, this is an alphabet, and the Ta is here. This is Ta. Then Ta has another two pattern. Sometimes it is written as 0, and there will be 2 dots. And sometimes an alphabet is coming, it's gone like this, 2 dots, like this. That is Ta. So this is Tha. At the beginning, Tha is like this. At the middle, an alphabet, then the Tha. At the end, an alphabet, then Tha. Then let's come to Jim. This is Jim. At the beginning, Jim is like this. At the middle, an alphabet, then the Jim comes here like this. Then at the end, an alphabet, then the Jim will be like this. Do you get it? It's fun. Let's go. And this is Ha. At the beginning, it's like this. At the middle, an alphabet, then the Ha comes, just like Jim. And at the end, like this. The same thing occurs with Jim, Ha, and Kha. This is Kha. At the beginning, it's like this. At the middle, alphabet, then it's at the middle like this. Then at the end, an alphabet, then Kha with a dot. Do you get it? All right. And this is Dal. Dal doesn't stay in the middle. This is Dal at the beginning. It stands alone at the beginning. There's no alphabet that will join together. Just like other alphabet that an alphabet can join together here, an alphabet can join. No, dal stands alone. It doesn't join together at the beginning. Then at the end, an alphabet will come, then the dal will stand alone. But you cannot see an alphabet coming, an alphabet here, you now see dal like this. No, that it will be an alphabet here, an alphabet will join together. Never, you will never see like that. It's either stands alone or alphabet join before it. Now, the same thing occurs with the. The same thing with dal and the. It stands alone, and alphabet can come before it, and it will also stand alone. But alphabet, it cannot be alphabet here and or alphabet here, then there will be dal. No, you cannot join together. It's not like that. Arabic letters are not like that. This is just how it is. Then ra. The same thing occurs with ra. Alphabet ra stands alone. Nothing joined after and nothing joined before. But here, something can come like this and ra can come. But it can never be at the middle like this. Then ra will not be like this. No, it doesn't. It's only like this. Then sin and the ra, za. Then za, the same thing like this and like this. Then sin like this, at the beginning like this, an alphabet join, at the middle sin, an alphabet join again, and the end an alphabet and sin at the end like this. The same thing shin like this. Do you get it? Then the shin like this, an alphabet coming, then the shin, the two will come like this, and at the end an alphabet come, it comes like this. This is how the shin is written at the middle. Sad like this, at the beginning like this, it joins with alphabet, at the middle alphabet comes, then the sad join together. Then at the end an alphabet comes, then the sad. The same thing with dot like this, at the middle, at the end, then ta like this, at the beginning it comes like this, then alphabet comes, at the middle an alphabet, then ta, then at the end an alphabet, then ta, it comes like this. The same thing happens to ta, it happens to za. Like this, join at the middle, then at the end like this. Do you get it like this? It's very clear. I don't think there's any problem with these. This is ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, da, za, ra, za, sin, shin, sa, da, ta, za. Now, so let's continue with other alphabets. Continuing with ain. This is ain at the beginning, at the bigger, and at the middle. At the beginning is like this. At the middle, an alphabet comes, an alphabet after, then it's like this, like a triangle. Do you see? Then at the end, an alphabet comes, then a triangle like this. Then the same thing with gha. Gha at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end, and a dot. Do you get it? MashaAllah. Then this is fa. Fa at the beginning like this, an alphabet, and at the middle, alphabet, then fa like this. At the end, alphabet comes, then fa like this. The same thing with qaf. Qaf, alphabet qaf like this, then alphabet comes like this, two dots, and at the end like this, two dots. Do you see? That's qaf. And this is kaf, the bigger letter of kaf, like this. I hope you're getting them right. This is kaf. And at the beginning, kaf like this. At the middle, an alphabet, kaf like this. And at the end, an alphabet comes and kaf comes like this. And this is lam. This is what? Lam. At the beginning, lam comes like this. At the middle, lam like this, and at the end like this, and al-lam. This is meme, a zero, and a tail. At the beginning, it's like this. And at the middle, it's also like this. It's different. Look and see. The the zero is at up, but the meme is circled together. And at the end, it comes like this. Then this is no. Noon. At the beginning, it's like this. At the middle, like this. The difference between noon and ba, is that the dot is at the top. The noon dot is at the top, while the ba dot is at the bottom. Then at the end, an alphabet comes, then no, bigger. And this is wow. Wow. At the beginning, wow stands alone. And an alphabet comes like this. This is an alphabet, then wow. So the same thing that occurs with dal, ra, za, it occurs with wow here. And this is ha, the bigger letter. So ha at the beginning is like this. Sorry. It's like this. You see, a letter will follow by at the middle like this, an alphabet here, then you write it. Do you see? Then at the end, an alphabet, then ha will be bigger. So this is the pattern. But ha has another pattern which you can write it. You can write ha like this, a zero, and you can also write ha like this. The difference here with ha and ta is the dot. If this has two dots, it becomes ta, and this two dot becomes ta, but no dot, it becomes ha. So this is Hamza. This is Hamza. Hamza has 6 steps, 6 styles of writing it. So if this is an alif and there is an Hamza here, it's also called Hamza, not alif Hamza. If you call it Hamza, alif Hamza is correct, but this is Qur'an. When you want to pronounce the Qur'an, you will not say alif Hamza. No, you only say a. This is Hamza. And at the bottom itself is also called Hamza, and this is wow. When you see Hamza at the top, it's also called Hamza. And this is ya. When there is Hamza here, it's also called Hamza. And like this again, it's also called what? Hamza. And this like this, it's also called what? Hamza. The last step is when it's like this. When it's like this, it's also called what? Hamza. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 styles how Hamza alone is written. You have to mastermind them because this is how you're going to say it in the Qur'an. This is how Hamza is written. The last letter is what? Ya. Ya. That has 2 dots. At the beginning, ya is like this. At the middle, at the end, like this. This is ya. Now, after we have been able to identify the letters from the beginning to the middle and to the end, inshallah, we are going to proceed to the signs, how you're going to identify the sign in the Quran and how you're going to apply them. Thank you.